What's up, guys? Today's video we got something a little bit different for you. We have the Viper still in the garage. Truck is out of the garage because we're taking the truck. We're gonna head over to a few of my buddies' houses. They were working on some Hellcats, so we're gonna document some of that stuff and show you guys what's up. All right, let's get to it and get driving. That cutout open. Well, it's pretty dark out, but we are almost here. Well, we're here, and that's a badass Impala. Alright, so we're in the garage. I'll reference everybody, but Instagram is Sinister Stripes. We also got David Hyde on the other side there with the Purple Monster Hellcat. So what they're working on right now is a Charger. So 392 Charger. They're putting their custom made front splitter, side skirts, and we're putting a wicker bill on this thing, right?
Wicker bill and diffuser, the MVP package.
We're doing a diffuser too?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay. What are you calling it? MPV?
MVP.
MVP, okay. That's what Adrian called this?
It works. Yeah, that's everything.
So this thing's a 2019, what, the guy just picked up last week, right?
Yeah, that's what.
So, but check out this tint David was just showing me. It is literally pitch black. You cannot see through it at all. And same with the windshield. It's literally just solid black. So, there's Adrian.
What's up, guys?
The man with the plan. So, anyways, he's already, I just got here. He already has a front splitter installed. These things are pretty badass. It's your own design, right? Yeah, so you can only get this design from these two gentlemen right here. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the whole process, what they go through, kind of just recap everything, and we're probably gonna do some more videos with these guys and show you exactly, I'm not gonna show the secrets of the product, but how they work and how they take stuff apart and put it back together. All right, so front's done. David just finished putting on the wheel. Everything on the front bumper is now tight. Adrian's just getting their side skirts. You're calling them side skirts, right? You don't have any fancy name for them? Just getting the side skirts lined up. And pop these into place. These things are pretty slick too. How many of these installs do you think you've done so far?
Over 100.
Too many. So I'm gonna walk you through the whole process of what they're doing, and we'll see how she looks at the end. Okay, so side skirts are done. And front's obviously done. And then we're gonna spin her around. And we're gonna do the rear. Looks way better for sure.
Yeah.
So you're gonna put that wicker bill on the back of this thing? Isn't the other ones usually higher or no? No, but I feel like the Hellcat ones that you guys usually put the wicker bills on are different, no? Or am I just tripping out?
That's the same exact one.
Oh, okay. So anyways, they got masking tape on here so that they can drill the holes. They're gonna put the wicker bill on the back. Wicker bill's just that NASCAR looking piece that sticks off the back here, so we'll get that on there. All right, it's done.
Start putting this thing on now. Press the one in the center just to hold it in place for now.
Yes, sir.
Hold it. And we start on the outlets. You gotta start them. We just start.
Alrighty, looks better.
Alright.
got that like smooth like glass finish to it, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah. This is a centerpiece.
What's that thing?
This is a centerpiece.
Oh, there's still a centerpiece?
Yeah.
What? And that one's clear?
Smoked.
So there's one more centerpiece gonna go up in there. I thought that was it for some reason. Alright, so the wicker bill is done. We got this clear section in the middle. Looks pretty cool. You guys can probably see the side profile, how it sits. Definitely changes the look of the car. I almost have to go further back if I can get far enough back to actually see this. Let's go on the side where Adrian is right now. He's installing the two, what are you calling those pieces? End plates? Rear side skirts? So there you can see the wicker bill and how it sits off the back of the car. And then he's popping these rear side skirts in. Look pretty cool too. And then I think that's a wrap. Alright, so she is complete. Got the wicker bill on there. Rear side skirts, right? That's what he's calling them. Got the rear diffuser on there. And we got the side skirts on, which you can see here. It's hard to see with this dark red color, but they are there. Almost look like a shadow on this thing. And then you got the front diffuser as well. All the stuff custom made by these guys here. So if you guys want to get any of this stuff, I'll link their Instagram accounts in the video description. You guys can get at them. And I should also be able to put links as well in the video too if you guys want to go find them and hit them up on Instagram. Okay, you guys, so that's gonna wrap up pretty much today's video. I did want to talk a little bit more about it. Those parts are super trick. You really have to see it in person to appreciate it, and the video doesn't do it justice. I'm gonna get some footage of some of the other ones. David's one, the Purple Monster Hellcat with the black and the purple, it really has a good contrast. It's a little bit hard to see against that burgundy red color that the Scat Pack was, but at the same time that stuff still looks killer. And if you guys are interested in any of that stuff, make sure you hit them up. Like I said, I posted their Instagrams. It's at Purple Monster _Hellcat or Sinister _Stripes. So either one, you guys can get a hold of them and check out any of that stuff. I am going to be doing some install videos. I do have some footage of the actual install of each component, but I do want to get around with those guys and make some different videos. I know, we have a lot of Ram stuff and some Viper stuff on here. We mixed it up not too long ago with the Jaguar F-Type and the Audi R8, but at the same time I always continuously want to be putting different vehicles on here, and I think with a bunch of Mopars on the channel right now that the Charger stuff will fit right in there. So they do a ton of stuff. They're always working on those kind of cars, but I'm trying to push those guys to make some more videos as well, or if I have to film it, I don't mind either. So that's what we're gonna do. But again, check out their Instagrams if you guys are interested in any of those pieces. You don't have to buy everything as an entire kit, I should probably say. You can pick and choose which one you want, if you just want the front splitter or you just want the rear diffuser. There was a lot of pieces. So there was that rear valence, the rear side skirts, the actual side skirts, the front splitter, and the duckbill that you guys saw there too. So all looks pretty cool, but let me know what you guys think in the comments below of that stuff. And yeah, and also the new content. Like I said, I'm excited to get some different vehicles on here. I'm trying to find somebody with a Corvette that wants to mess around with some stuff on the channel too, and then hopefully be getting one of our own here shortly. But anyways guys, that's enough for this video. We'll see you on the next video. Make sure you give this one a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe and turn on the bell notification for the latest videos so you're notified. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.